Hi, this is Bobby, and I am with Play Action Sports, and I'm here to introduce or reintroduce our new Tipper Guard jerseys. We've had some improvements since our COVID-19 shutdown. However, we are going back to our new line. The new line has a lot of new colors and a lot of new interesting flavors. Of course, we're still keeping up with our both ambidextrous guards for both the left and the right, but we also have in our Tipper Guard wear a new lighter fabric for allowing the jersey to breathe. The colors that we'll be using are now we have so many more colors. Here's just a sample of our color charts, from bubblegum blue all the way to jet black. We also have moved forward thinking with our production. We now can do our custom alterations on site with our new trailer and our production center, which is headed up by other than DeBorgia Brantley. We also, with our new line, have matched up some things. Not only do we have the Tipper Guard jersey, we also have for our paras and people who are really active out, the action wear pants, which also have the same technology in it to keep you nice and cool outside. I know that most of you guys are professional at this, but you may still want to try out our new arm guard sleeves. It has the coolant technology in them also, and they're 100% customizable also. They have in them the coolant technology that keeps your arm cool, and it's a UV protection behind it. With our t-shirt line, we do have our Scribble Art Jerseys. It comes in any action that you can do, and it has our hashtag I am action. So these are our new cooling hats that we have. They also are breathable, and it keeps the sun off of you. They'll have the same technology in them to help keep what I call the radiator cool. We're offering also our new action hat caps with this series. All of this will be in our mobile trailer that we have our manufacturing in also. We are now also doing coolant towels. Again, all of our Play Action Sportswear is 100% customizable on site. You go shoot, you feel like you need something done, we can actually come back in, order it, and in just a few minutes, anywhere between a few minutes to, depending on what you're ordering, we can have it done within a few minutes, up to 3 weeks for our jerseys. That's Play Action Sportswear. We're here to make sure that you are safe outside. Our website is www.playactionsportswear.com. You can follow us on Instagram at i.am.action, or you can follow us also on Facebook at Play Action Sportswear. Thanks so much.